Animals name with pictures for kids part 2. This is dog. This is wild dog. This is cat. This is donkey. This is buffalo. This is camel. This is goat. This is sheep. This is tortoise. This is turtle. This is iguana. This is lizard. This is salamander. This is house lizard. This is chameleon. This is frilled lizard. This is shrike. This is slow worm. This is gecko. This is tegu. This is leech. This is snail. This is centipede. This is millipede. This is koala. This is loris. This is earthworm. This is snake. This is mongoose. This is otter. This is bat. This is bird. This is toad. This is frog. This is warthog. This is guinea pig. This is tapir. This is flying squirrel. This is skunk. This is honey badger. This is pangolin. This is armadillo. This is hedgehog. This is equidace. This is porcupine. This is beaver. This is mouse. This is rat. This is wombat. This is capybara. This is mole. This is scorpion. This is sugar glider. This is alpaca. This is fish. This is walrus.